If you're here for best gaming PC under 35K, so let's go. Processor Ryzen 5600X, motherboard ASRock B450, SSD Crucial NVMe M.24 Gen 500GB SSD with 8GB DDR4 RAM and Antisport 650W 80+ bronze certified power supply. Now the most important thing without which a gaming PC is not a gaming PC: graphics card RX 580 with 8GB VRAM. Not at last cabinet, depends on your choice, but here is the cabinet also with this our PC build completes. So if you liked it, so don't forget to like and subscribe to your own channel.